Welcome to the $1 Habit, a revolutionary approach to personal finance that proves you don't need a fortune to start building wealth. This method is all about making saving accessible, simple, and sustainable for everyone. Instead of overwhelming yourself with large, intimidating savings goals, the $1 Habit encourages you to set aside just $1 each day. Over time, these small, consistent actions add up, transforming your financial future without causing stress or disruption to your daily life. In this video, we'll explore how this habit works, why it's effective, and how you can start today. At its heart, the $1 Habit is a micro-investment strategy that values consistency over the size of your contributions. By committing to save just $1 a day, you sidestep the psychological hurdles that often come with larger financial commitments. This approach turns saving from a daunting challenge into a manageable daily routine. Over time, these small steps create a powerful compounding effect, helping you build a substantial financial reserve without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. Let's dive deeper into what makes this habit so effective. $1 Habit is all about making saving money a daily, automatic part of your life. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment to make a big deposit, you simply set aside $1 every day. This removes the pressure and guilt that often come with traditional saving methods. Over time, these daily contributions add up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. The key is not the amount, but the regularity. By focusing on the process rather than the outcome, you build a sustainable habit that can last a lifetime. How does the $1 Habit work so well? It taps into the psychology of positive reinforcement. Small, manageable actions are much easier to stick with than large and frequent ones. When you save $1 each day, you create a feedback loop of success. Each day you succeed, you feel good, which motivates you to keep going. This reduces the mental burden of financial planning and makes saving feel automatic, not forced. Over time, this positive cycle becomes second nature, making it easier to reach your financial goals. Philosophy behind the $1 Habit is simple. Consistency beats intensity. Financial success is rarely about making one big move. It's about making small, smart choices day after day. By saving a little every day, you build a strong foundation for long-term wealth. This approach fosters discipline and encourages a mindset of regular contribution. It's not about how much you save at once, but about showing up every day and making progress, no matter how small. Many people believe that financial success comes from making big, bold moves, but in reality, it's the small, consistent actions that make the biggest difference over time. The $1 Habit is built on this principle. By saving a little every day, you avoid the stress and burnout that can come from trying to do too much at once. This steady approach is not only more sustainable, but it also helps you develop a positive relationship with money. Every dollar you save is a step toward your bigger financial goals. The beauty of the $1 Habit is in its incremental progress. Each day's contribution may seem small, but over months and years, these add up to something substantial. This approach teaches patience and persistence, two essential traits for anyone looking to achieve lasting financial success. Remember, you don't need to make drastic changes to see real results. Just keep moving forward $1 at a time. Saving money in today's world isn't easy. High living costs, unpredictable expenses, and complex financial products can make the idea of saving feel overwhelming. Many people struggle to get started because the traditional methods seem out of reach or too complicated. The $1 Habit was designed to break down these barriers and make saving accessible to everyone, no matter their income or experience. Traditional saving methods often set high monthly targets, which can feel daunting. The fear of not meeting these goals or the belief that you don't have enough to save can lead to procrastination. This cycle of delay makes it even harder to start. The $1 Habit removes these psychological barriers by making the process simple and approachable. When saving feels easy, you're much more likely to stick with it. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that if they can't save a large amount, it's not worth saving at all. This all-or-nothing mindset leads to inaction and missed opportunities. The $1 Habit challenges this thinking by showing that small, consistent efforts are far more effective than sporadic, large deposits. By focusing on what you can do today, you set yourself up for long-term success. There's a huge untapped market for simple, accessible financial solutions. Many people are excluded from traditional investment products due to high minimums or complex requirements. The $1 Habit simplicity makes it appealing to a wide audience, opening the door for millions who might otherwise never start saving or investing. This universal approach is what sets it apart from other financial tools. Financial products can be intimidating, filled with jargon and complex rules. The $1 Habit stands out because of its simplicity. Anyone can understand and participate. This low barrier to entry makes it possible for people from all walks of life to start building better financial habits. The easier it is to get started, the more likely people are to stick with it. Recent market analysis shows a growing trend toward micro-investing and behavioral finance. Younger generations in particular are seeking accessible, tech-driven financial tools. The $1 Habit is perfectly positioned to meet this demand, offering a straightforward, behaviorally optimized solution that fits seamlessly into modern lifestyles. As more people look for ways to take control of their finances, the potential for growth is enormous. So how does the $1 Habit actually work? It's all about automation and ease. The system uses technology to automatically transfer $1 from your account to your savings or investment pool every day. This removes the need for daily decision-making and ensures you never miss a day. With everything handled behind the scenes, you can focus on living your life while your savings grow in the background. Automation is the secret sauce of the $1 Habit. By setting up automatic daily transfers, you eliminate the risk of forgetting or skipping a day. This consistency is what drives real results. The process is simple. Link your bank account, set your daily transfer amount, and let the system do the rest. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings add up when you take the guesswork out of the equation. $1 Habit leverages modern technology to make saving as easy as possible. Through mobile apps and online platforms, you can set up your habit in minutes and monitor your progress in real time. The digital interface provides visual feedback, showing you exactly how much you've saved and how close you are to your goals. This transparency and accessibility keep you motivated and engaged. Getting started with the $1 Habit is a breeze. The onboarding process is designed to be as simple as possible. Link your bank account, set your daily transfer amount, usually $1, and define your personal savings goal. Even if you have minimal financial knowledge, you can get started right away. The intuitive design ensures that everyone can participate regardless of their background. Once you're set up, the focus shifts to building and maintaining your new habit. The app sends daily reminders and celebrates your milestones, like saving for 30 days in a row. Features like progress bars and achievement badges gamify the experience, making saving fun and rewarding. This positive reinforcement helps you stay motivated and committed to your financial journey. One of the most powerful aspects of the $1 Habit is the effect of compounding. Even with a modest annual return of 5–7%, your daily dollar can grow into a significant sum over time. For example, saving just $1 a day for 30 years could result in over $50,000, thanks to the magic of compound interest. This demonstrates that even the smallest contributions can lead to substantial financial growth. Consistency in daily saving doesn't just help you invest, it also creates a reliable safety net. Even without investment returns, saving $1 a day adds up to $365 a year. This can cover unexpected expenses or serve as the foundation for a more robust emergency fund. Over time, this habit gives you peace of mind and financial security, no matter what life throws your way. Knowing that you're taking a small, automatic step every day to improve your financial future can significantly reduce money-related stress. The predictability and simplicity of the $1 Habit provide a sense of control and security. Instead of worrying about whether you're saving enough, you can relax, knowing that you're making steady progress. As you track your progress and see the results of your daily savings, you naturally become more engaged with your finances. This increased awareness often leads to better financial decisions and a greater sense of empowerment. The $1 Habit doesn't just help you save, it helps you understand and take control of your money. $1 Habit platform is designed to be accessible to everyone. The core daily saving feature is free, ensuring that anyone can start building better habits. For those who want more, premium features like advanced analytics, goal-setting tools, and personalized investment portfolios are available through a subscription. This freemium model balances accessibility with sustainability, allowing the platform to grow while serving a wide audience. Another revenue stream for the $1 Habit comes from affiliate partnerships with financial institutions. By connecting users to high-yield savings accounts or investment funds, the platform earns a commission for each user who opts in. This not only generates revenue, but also provides users with valuable opportunities to grow their savings even faster. Security is a top priority for the $1 Habit. The app uses secure APIs like Plaid to connect with users' bank accounts. All transactions are encrypted and fully compliant with financial regulations, ensuring that your data and money are always protected. This robust technology foundation builds trust and confidence among users. $1 Habit uses machine learning to analyze user behavior and provide personalized insights. For example, if you get a pay raise, the app might suggest increasing your daily savings amount. These smart nudges help you optimize your savings rate based on your unique life events, making the habit even more effective and tailored to your needs. Meet Sarah, a 25-year-old marketing associate. Like many young professionals, she struggled to save consistently due to variable income and high living costs. Traditional advice to save 20% of her income felt impossible. By adopting the $1 Habit, Sarah set up an automated daily transfer of $1. Over 2 years, she saved $730 without feeling any financial strain. This small, consistent effort boosted her confidence and eventually allowed her to increase her daily savings, showing the habit's scalability. Michael, a 40-year-old father of 2, wanted to save for his children's future but was overwhelmed by complex financial tools. With the $1 Habit, he set up automated savings for each child using the app's goal-setting feature. The low-effort automated system allowed him to build a college fund foundation without dedicating significant time or mental energy, proving that anyone can benefit from this approach. Reach more users. The $1 Habit focuses on digital marketing campaigns targeting millennials and Gen Z on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Relatable financial success stories and simple messaging highlight the habit's accessibility. Strategic partnerships with universities, corporate wellness programs, and fintech communities help expand the user base through trusted channels. Group challenges and employer-sponsored programs further drive adoption. Looking ahead, the $1 Habit plans to expand its features and reach. Upcoming additions include roundup purchases, where spare change from transactions is automatically saved, and automated financial coaching to help users make smarter decisions. After establishing a strong presence domestically, the platform will adapt for international markets, partnering with local banks and adjusting for regional economic conditions. The future is bright for simple, accessible saving. $1 Habit is more than just a savings strategy, it's a mindset shift. By focusing on small, consistent actions, anyone can build financial security and confidence regardless of their starting point. The combination of automation, accessibility, and positive reinforcement makes this habit easy to adopt and stick with. Start today and watch your financial future transform $1 at a time.